Okay, welcome to TechiesReign skills. Okay, then in this video, we want to look at the external CSS. Okay, so we have spoken about the inline CSS, we're talking about the internal CSS. So now we want to look at the external CSS. An external CSS is, or an external style sheet is used to define the style of for many HTML pages. Okay, we can use to define the style for many HTML pages. To use an external style sheet, we need to add the link to the head. Okay, so we'll create another page for the CSS, then we'll add the link to the head of the page. Okay, take for example, see that this is the head here highlighted. Okay, and you can see the link to the style, to the CSS here. Okay, so we're going to practice this now. So we're going to go to our VS Code. Okay, so I'm going to clear what we have here. I want to clear this style. Okay, good. So then let's clear what we have in our body too. Okay, so let's Control save. So good. So we want to create another file. Okay, we want to create another file. So you just want to click on the file, the new file button here. So by the time you click on it, then you are going to write style.css. Okay, so you have opened a style.css file. Okay, good. So now inside our HTML, we have to connect it together. Okay, we have to connect it together. So let's bring our from here. Okay, so we want to paste that here. So our link, okay, then the relation we are relating to style sheet. Okay, then the href that we use in our anchor link, okay, for direction to a particular page or link. Okay, so then style.css, remember that we named our style.css, not styles.css. So we are going to save that. Okay, good. So we're going to come to our body. We want to open our p tag and say this is external CSS example. Okay, so I want to save that. We come to our browser, we'll see that this external CSS example is just in the natural or default black. Okay, if you come to our style.css, okay, you can now say p, then we'll use our curly bracket, then we'll say text, say color, okay, is equal is let's say brown. Okay, it's brown. So we'll save that, and then we'll come to our browser, so that it's now brown. Okay, good. So why it is working is because we have linked it together here. If we decide to alter it and put styles instead of style that we have here, we save it, it will not work properly. Okay, because it's not linked. You are not linking to the right file. Okay, by the time we remove the s and we save it, we come back to our browser, so that it's back to the. So let's come back to our styles and let's change it to, let's add the font size. Okay, let's add the font size, and let's make it 40 px. Okay, so let's save it and let's come back here. Okay, good. Can you see it's bigger now? So the inline CSS will go in front of your opening tag. Okay, while the second, which is the internal CSS, will be style inside your head. Okay, inside the head tag. Okay, then the external CSS will come inside a new file called the style.css or the styles.css or index.css, whatever you decide to name the file. So just make sure that when you are linking it, you are linking into the right file here. Okay, good. So that's that about internal CSS and line CSS and external CSS. Thanks for watching. Do well to like, comment, follow, and share. I'll see you in the next video.